Learning languages with us, 24/7. Your one-stop shop to learn English in a fun and easy way.
Hello and welcome.
Hi, everyone.
We are really happy you're here today. This is day one of your English Shadowing Challenge, and today we are going to do something very important together. We are going to speak English. Not just listen. No over-focus on grammar. No silently thinking English in your head. Today, you are going to speak out loud together with us. And honestly, this is one of the best ways to improve your English speaking confidence and ability. Now, before we begin, I want you to remember something. You do not need to be using perfect English. You do not need a perfect accent. And you do not need to speak quickly. You just need to begin. A little practice every day creates a big improvement over time. So if you are here right now, you are already making progress, and we are proud of you for showing up today. Now let's quickly talk about shadowing. Shadowing is simple. You listen to me speak, then you repeat what I say.
Okay,
Try to copy the sounds, the rhythm, the pronunciation, and the feeling of the sentence. Don't worry if it feels strange at first. That is completely normal. Your mouth is learning new movements, your ears are learning new sounds, and your brain is building new English habits. So relax. Take a deep breath, get comfortable, and most importantly, speak out loud with me. Ready?
yes. I'm a little nervous, so go easy with me.
Don't worry, that's totally natural and to be expected. Let's begin your English shadowing practice. We will start with 5 short and easy sentences, nice and slow. Listen first, then repeat after me. We will do each sentence 4 times. Research shows repeating between 3 and 7 times is best for retention.
Okay, I'm ready. You guys at home say it out loud the same time as me.
Today is a good day to practice English.
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 You are doing great. Here's the next sentence. I am ready to improve.
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 Yes, that's it. Sentence 3 coming up. I can speak English step by step.
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 You are doing great. Ready for sentence 4?
Let's do it.
Mistakes help me learn.
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 Good job. Here's the last sentence. I feel more confident every day.
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 Excellent. You are already doing really well.
Yes, good work, everyone.
Remember, confidence comes from practice. Let's continue. Now let's practice some simple English sentences you can use in everyday life. Speak slowly, speak clearly, and try to relax your shoulders and your mouth as you speak. Ready?
Yes,
We'll do 10 sentences, 4 times each. Here we go. Good morning. How are you today?
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 Sentence 2 is a common response to our first sentence. I'm doing well, thank you.
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 Sentence 3 could also be used to continue this conversation. What are you doing today?
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 And a typical response could be, I'm going to work this afternoon.
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 Now we'll do some more everyday sentences. It's a beautiful day outside.
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 I would like a cup of coffee, please.
I would like a cup of coffee, please.
I would like a cup of coffee, please. Or
I would like a cup of coffee, please.
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 Could you help me for a moment?
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 You are doing great. Just a few more sentences and you'll have completed this section. I didn't understand that.
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 Could you say it again, please?
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 You are doing brilliantly. Here's the last sentence. I'm learning English every day.
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 Wonderful. You have completed 15 sentences now.
Great work, everyone.
That is real speaking practice. And every sentence you speak out loud helps to build your confidence. Now, let's move on to a short real-life conversation. Imagine this. You walk into a small cafe in London. The cafe is warm and quiet. You smile at the person behind the counter. Let's practice the conversation together. We'll go through each of the parts together, both the cafe worker and the customers. Good afternoon. What would you like?
Good afternoon. What would you like?
I would like a coffee, please.
I would like a coffee, please.
Of course. Small or large?
Of course. Small or large?
A small coffee, please.
A small coffee, please.
Anything else?
Anything else?
No, thank you.
No, thank you.
That's £3.50.
That's £3.50.
Here you are.
Here you are.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Excellent work. Did you notice something?
Yes,
That was a real conversation.
it was.
Simple, natural, useful. And now, you can speak it too. That's amazing progress.
It sure is. Well done, everyone.
Now let's try a fluency round together. This time, we are going to flow straight from one sentence to the other. We will speak a little more naturally. Don't stop. Don't overthink. Just keep speaking. Ready? I'm learning English every day. Could you help me for a moment? It's a beautiful day outside. I would like a coffee, please. I feel more confident every day. Could you say that again, please? I can speak English step by step. Mistakes help me learn. I'm doing well, thank you. Today is a good day to practice English. And that is the end of day one. Take a moment and think about what you just did. You listened carefully. You repeated English sentences. You practiced a real conversation. And most importantly, you spoke English out loud. That is something to feel proud of. Remember, fluency does not happen in one day. It happens little by little, sentence by sentence, day by day. So don't give up. Keep showing up. Keep practicing and keep believing in yourself. Now I have a small challenge for you.
Yes?
Go down to the comments and write, Day 1 complete. That small action helps build consistency, and consistency is the secret to improvement.
Okay, so what's next?
I'm glad you asked. Tomorrow and Day 2, we will practice daily routines and everyday habits in English. So come back tomorrow and continue your shadowing journey with me. Until then, take care, keep practicing, and we'll see you in Day 2. Thanks, bye.
Thanks, everyone. Bye.
Come back soon to learn more with Learning Languages with us 24/7.